2020 is coming to an end. It was a year of pain and maturity. It took our loved ones away to the grave. In our relationships, we have lost the sense of security. 2020 is coming to an end.
In a second, I was so happy, and then I wasn't anymore. It hurt me badly.
2020 is coming to an end. It was a year of uncertainty, not knowing when you will lose your mother, father, friend, or a brother. It was a feeling of numbness and wordlessly crying. 2020 is coming to an end. It was a year of fear of the unknown. At the same time, it was a year of learning that this life is not lasting. 2020 is coming to an end. We have learned to love ourselves, to love others, to grow, to build, and to survive. "2021 is mysterious, but we have learned to be strong, patient, and caring.